Hello, my dear lovers of best ecos. Today I will review Xio network. A blockchain just entered the real world. I think it's very good project with over 1 million location verifying beacon already built and hundreds of thousands ready to be enabled. Blockchain first crypto location Oracle network has arrived. Our mission is to enable smart contracts to interact with the real world as if it were an API. Join us in decentralizing location relevant trade markets. We have 37 days and 23 hours of token sale. You can participate by clicking this button. We can see a link to GitHub for source code of this project. I think token sale, roadmap, documents, team white paper, token economics. Let's overview site. Smart contracts can now interact with the real world as if it were an API. Okay, alright. Location data is used every day across the world. Societies and economies are becoming increasingly reliant on certainty and security of location heuristic. Self-driving vehicles, package delivering drones and smart cities will likely can for increased reliance upon trustless location data. The adoption of the technologies of tomorrow centers on their ability to trust location heuristic they receive from an off-chain resource. We believe the current location technologies lack the necessary certainty and security properties necessary to move us into the future. We have developed an ecosystem of crypto location protocols and commons which leverage the strength of blockchain technology and solve the shortcoming of location technologies relied upon today. Our project is called the Xi Oracle Network, Xio Network. The Xio Network enabled trustless transaction through an ecosystem of crypto location components that can bridge the gap from the world of today and the world of tomorrow. I think this project is a project of the future and it's very promising. Meet the Xi Oracle Network. We can see this picture. It's very hard for me to understand, but I think you can research this picture and learn more about this project because very kind and clever. Xi network components. The Xio network has four primary components: Sentinel, bridges, archivists, and diviners. These four components enable focused consensus building and trustless verification of location data. This means that when you write a smart contract which specifies for an object to appear at a specific Xi coordinate, if it appears there, you will know that it was at the location with absolute certainty. This is all done without a risk of spoofing the location signaling devices verified by thousands of sentinels in Xe Oracle network with the longest proof of origin chain. We can see sentinels, bridges, archivists, and diviners, 4 components of Xeo network. You can read this information and learn more about these components in the white paper by clicking this button. Combined, the components of Xeo network create blockchain's first ever identityless trustless location protocol, proof of origin. I think you can click this button and learn more. Bound witness. The Xeo network leverages cryptoeconomic incentives to reward desires behavior and deter against network attacks. In a trustless system, a witness node can, either through defect of corruption, produce false data. Invalid data can detect it and removed simply if it falls outside the allowed range for the heuristic. Valid but incorrect data is much more difficult to detect, given that an untrusted source of data used to resolve a digital contract is not useful. We can substantially increase the certainty of the data provided by first establishing the existence of bidirectional proof of location. Okay, it's very promising idea. The most ambitious blockchain platform in recent history. Oh. The Xeo network natively integrates with the leading blockchain platforms of today, and its agnostic protocol enabled integration with the blockchain technologies of tomorrow. We can see Ari Turu, founder and architect of this project. Interact protocol built. Xeo network enabled developers to gain the power to interact with the real world as if it were an API. They compare world and API. I think it's very nice protocol. Think of the Xeo network not as a blockchain application like websites are to the internet, but as fully fledged blockchain protocol like HTTP to the internet, built to support the blockchain platforms of tomorrow. The Xeo network works natively with the following smart contracts platforms, as well as other blockchain platforms with Turing complete functionally. We can see a lot of different blockchain interact with the Xe Oracle network via web client, software libraries, API and JavaScript client. All transactions running the Xeo network require Xe utility token. Web client Xe Gamma. Xeo network has a consumer-friendly web app interface, developer APIs, and software libraries that span popular smart contract languages, Solidity, Viper, and more. Instantly summon trusted location queries. Okay. We can example can see example smart contracts API for another ways. We have smart contracts written in Solidity using the Axio network smart contract API. I don't understand what's it, but you can check it. Use cases. We have 7 cases. You can download use case PDF and learn more about that. Join us in bringing blockchain to the earth. We can see links to social nets of this project. I will put these links into the description of this video. You can go and learn more about this project in, for example, Twitter, blog and media. We can see different publications, news about this project from another media, partners of this project, Bluetooth. I saw listings, a lot of offices and other offices, and photo of the team and the office, disclaimers and forward-looking statements. And I want to see the team of this project. Ari Drew, Scott Shaper. We can read this information and try to learn more about these people. We see advisors, a lot of advisors. It's very nice. I think. And we have link to LinkedIn. Okay, I think we can finish this video. I hope it was interesting for you to know about this project, and I only can review this, and decision of investment you must make yourself. Okay, good luck and invest your money wise.